Hello, this is a video of the upstairs of the apartment for rent. Walking in the back door, which you just saw, into the half bath, little storage up top. Right next to the half bath, right as you walk in, the back door is the main entrance, generally. Bunch of storage, laundry hookups, and some more storage over the water heater. Water heater is electric. And we have the kitchen, good amount of cabinet space, nice bright light coming in. I'm going to just turn that off for a second and turn on. Then there's a couple lights that can dim down here over the counter and over the sink, double bowl sink. Refrigerator, stove is electric flat top, microwave over top. It's a little dark. So tile floor in the kitchen. Coming into the rear of the house, overlooking the backyard, and a large dining room going off onto a deck. And you can see on the deck the picnic table and a couple bird feeders. Have some chickadees and such. And this overlooks kind of a pond off the deck. And then you're going right into the open living room. You can see, yes, out the window. And there are blinds over the windows, but there's a lot of light. As this is facing south, the windows face south. And then the living room adjoins with that dining room. And we have about 12-foot ceilings at the top. They're cathedral ceilings with a skylight over the living room and a skylight over the dining room. And that overlooks the woods in the back. It's pretty private. It's a country place. And then you come into tile floor with the front entry, which no one really uses. Although the door looks pretty, but everyone comes in the back to this particular apartment. And then a large closet, coat closet, I guess you'd call it. And then we walk there. Oh, this peeks on into the kitchen from this foyer area. And then I'll just pan around to the dining room, deck, living room, foyer area, and let me come back around. And we're in the hallway, going back to the bedrooms. As we go back to the bedrooms, on the right we have a bathroom, which is the main bathroom. It does have a dimmer on that light, and a good-sized linen closet, another good-sized linen closet, sink, flooring, shower unit, and of course a Toto toilet. Nothing but the best. And I'm going to go into this largest bedroom. Use it as an office or master, depending. And it does have some directional lighting at the top that dims. And then back windows overlook where like the dining room look to the back, this looks to the back. This is a closet. It's a shallow closet of shelves. And then a large closet, pretty large closet. Heat is hot water baseboard, which tenant pays, oil. And we're going to walk into the second largest bedroom. That's a laminate floor in this bedroom. A lot of people use this as the master because that other room is just so big. It's nice for an office or such. So we can't turn those off. So this window looks to the front of the house. And they're 40-inch wide windows, so they're pretty large. And then a closet in this room. This is also, these first two bedrooms I've shown are cathedral ceilings, so you have 12 foot at the one edge, and then it slopes down to 8 foot at the, and the master bedroom, or the largest bedroom, I should say, does have a skylight. So that's a pretty bright place. We're going to come around to this. The smallest room is really, I don't even call it a bedroom. It's a, could be used for sports storage, could be used as a den, or an office. But that has a closet, and this is kind of the den area. And then bedroom. bedroom. And we're just going to walk down the hall. I think that's pretty much the whole house. Now we're walking back down the hall, back into the foyer, living room on the right, dining room on the left, kitchen on the left. And this is an inlaid slate floor. It's just very cool and natural looking. And this place is really country. It has tons of window space, as you can see. A lot of bright light. A lot of entertainment area. And it's a very, very quiet house. This is the top floor of a 2-floor, 2-family house. Person on the downstairs is extremely quiet and is not around too much. So here's the kitchen from this viewpoint, from the dining room. You can see there's kind of it's not an island, I guess it would be a isthmus. Anyway, kind of juts out. And you can see back through to the back door where people enter, half bathroom, which just got closed, as you see the door. And then the laundry is right on the left by that door back there. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what the place is. You also pay electric, oil, heat. It's oil, hot water baseboard. And you pay your garbage service. And I think that's about it. So hopefully this helps you decide whether this is a place you'd like to take a peek at or not. Okay, have a great day. And that is, by the way, 38B is right, you can almost see it from here. So it's right off 38B, a main road. And in between Ithaca and Binghamton. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for taking a peek.